Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start the poem Meadow Surprises. The poem is composed by Lois Brandit Phillips. In this poem, we will know about the beauty of the nature, and in the meadows, one can explore it if one looks carefully. So come on the chapter and try to know about the chapter in detail. Dear students, walk across a green field, a park, or even under a clump of trees, and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eye and a sharp ear? We can get it. So, come on, the first stanza of the poem. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. In the first stanza, the poet says that meadow have surprises, grasslands have surprises, and you can find them if you look. You will observe, you will look. And when you walk softly through the velvet grass, the grasses which look like thick and just like a thick and silky, just like velvet. You have seen velvet, kaleen in Hindi we say. You walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. If you walk there, you can get the velvet grass and listen by the brook. And you can listen by the brook. Brook means here a small river. You can listen the sound of a small river, a canal. You can listen the sound, flow, movement of the stream water, canal water. Understand? River water. You may see a butterfly rest in the second stanza. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar. And you can see a butterfly in the meadows rest upon a buttercup. You will get butterfly. You can see a butterfly to rest upon a buttercup, a type of a flower, a kind of flower, and unfold its drinking straws. And you will get that the butterfly will unfold, open its drinking straws. Drinking straws means here that a long, thin, a long, thin, you have seen tube-like structure for plastic or tube you have seen used for especially sucking liquids into the mouth. You have used pipe or tube for sucking liquids into the mouth. So such type of structure you will get, and butter cup, on the butter cup you will get butterfly, and a butterfly will open its mouth just like a what, drinking straws, just like a tube shape. Why? To sip the nectar up, to sip, to take the nectar. Nectar means flower juice, to take flower juice. Understand? You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. Afterward, you will get another thing in the meadows, and you may scare a rabbit. You may be afraid of a rabbit who is still very, who is sitting very still. In starting, you will get that the rabbit will be very still. You can't see the rabbit. But when you will see, though at first you may not see him first, but afterward when he hops, he jumps, you will see the rabbit on that time. Understand? The fourth stanza, a dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes. that flutter when you blow. A dandelion, a type of flower whose fuzzy head, fuzzy means, you are getting the word, not very clear, unclear, whose fuzzy head, not clear head, was golden days ago, means golden days of the dandelion flower has been gone, and do you know that has turned to airy parachutes. And you have seen parachutes, and in such way the condition of the dandelion flower, you can see it is the last time of the flower, the last stage of the flower, has turned to airy parachutes, just like air parachutes. You have seen airy parachutes that flutter when you blow, and that will flutter means start to flap when you will blow on the, you will blow the flower, blow on the flower. Afterward, explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mound. And you can get another things here, another surprises, if you will observe it keenly. If you are a keen observer, you can not, you can found it, you can observe, you can get these things, amazing things there. Explore the meadow houses, you will get their meadow houses. Which type of meadow houses you will get there? The burrows, you will get the burrows, a place for hiding, big holes, a place for hiding. In the ground, you will get burrows, a place for hiding animals, just like jackal you have seen live in burrows. So you will also get a nest beneath tall grasses, and beneath the tall grasses you will get a nest beneath tall grasses, you will get a nest beneath tall grasses, and the ants amazing bound, and you will get also there ants amazing surprising bound. Bound means a small heap of sand or a mound, understand? In the last stanza, poet says that, oh, meadows have surprises, and you may, and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen. So poet in the last stanza of the poem says that meadows have surprises and many things to tell, but you may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. If you will look properly, listen properly, and you will observe, then you will get a lot of things in the meadows to be observed, if you are a keen observer of the nature, understand? So I hope that you have understood the poem. Thanks for watching the video.